Hey guys, what's going on? Vega here from Serpent X Special Forces, and in this video I want to compare the RTX 3080 against the RTX 2080, not the Super but the regular 2080, to kind of determine the generational improvements that we see in the ray tracing performance of these new GPUs. I know they've been very hard to get our hands on, as well as a number of drama or issues that we've seen since the launch of these GPUs, whether it's the caps, SP caps, or MLCC. But moving on from that, I want to bring the data to you. So in this video, I use my i9-9900K, a Z390 Taichi Ultimate, and then a Corsair NVMe SSD with G.Skill Tridentz RGB memory 3200 megahertz. I kept everything the same just so these GPUs can stretch their legs, and the only thing that we're really comparing is the GPUs. Try to keep the variables out of it and keep everything the same. So without further ado, I want to jump into the chart, show you what I got, and then we'll wrap up with our thoughts.
I'll treat you, pal. Get fixed with that, soldier.
Alright guys, so there you go. That's the data that I currently got. We only tested a few ray tracing benchmarks, and that can help us draw a comparison. Unfortunately, the 3080 is not exactly the 4K monster that we were hoping for when it comes to ray tracing performance. Obviously, as everybody knows, when we turn off ray tracing, we get a significant boost in performance. So most players, at least to my understanding, just turn off ray tracing and run at their normal 1440p or 4K if the GPU and the game allows it, and you get good performance, because it really comes down to high FPS for first-person shooters and a high refresh rate monitor. But we do see a big jump, especially looking at the benchmarks such as Time Spy Extreme and Port Royal, where the 3080 leaves the 2080 behind. I'm sure the 2080 Super would be even closer, and the 2080 Ti will be even closer than that, because really this 3080 is designed to beat the 2080 Ti, and I'm comparing it against its sibling, the RTX 2080, but I felt it was a more fair comparison to see the generational jump that Nvidia has shown us with ray tracing, tensor cores, and so on and so forth, especially with the architectural improvements. So that's the data that I got for you guys. I just want to thank you for stopping by. Do me a favor, hit the like button on the way out, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments if you got a 3080 and are you happy with it. And I hope you didn't spend $1,300 to $1,200 on it in eBay. Anyways, guys, I'm out of here. Catch you in the next one.